How to use Google Pay for Transit. To use the Google Pay for Transit, first of all, you have to ensure NFC is enabled on your smartphone. So go ahead and launch your device's system setting application, which looks like a setting gear icon once you open the quick panel. Tap on the search bar, then type NFC. Once you find the NFC option at the top, go ahead and tap on it, and also make sure that this feature is turned on. Once you turn this feature on, all you have to do is now get the application. Download or open the official wallet application where your passes are stored. Then go to the default payment option in the phone settings, then select the Google Pay. From there, you have to now simply link card or purchase the pass. Then wake up your smartphone screen first of all, then find the contactless system terminal at the bus entrance or subway turnstile. You simply have to tap your device and verify the transit pass. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.